Okay, everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Blackboard Ultra and get online for your online office hours, catch your professors on your online office hours or an online class. So all of you should have this tools button in your Blackboard, and I'm assuming all of you know how to get into Blackboard. So this is your tools button. If you click on that, you will see Blackboard Collaborate Ultra here. And if you click on that, you will see this link. Professors either will ask you to go here at the top, which is a permanent course room, or they will create separate sessions for each time you guys meet, all of you meet. So click on it. You can click join session. Now, before you start this, I would advise you to use Firefox. If in your computers you have Internet Explorer, or if you're a Mac user, use Safari. Blackboard Ultra has some obvious problems with these browsers. If you're a Chrome user and you're tech savvy, you can continue to use Chrome. But if you're not tech savvy, I would advise you to get Firefox, which is free, download it, install it, and use Firefox. You're also required to have a microphone. Make sure that the microphone you have has noise cancellation in it. So a headset would be good, or a lot of laptops these days comes with good microphones, so that shouldn't be a problem. Your video camera is optional. So if you click on this, you'll have a link to say join session. You'll also have a link which says dial in. So if you don't have a microphone, you can join session and then use your phone, call this number, put this pin in, and you should be able to be there on the phone. So click here, join session. Your Blackboard Collaborate starts. Make sure if you want to talk to your professor, click on this. At this moment, nobody is in this classroom, and therefore all you see is this black screen. If your professor is already there, you will see your professor here, rather as a moderator rather than as a participant. You can chat with your professor or everybody, right? And right now, you're not a presenter or a moderator, so you have nothing to share. Your professor might have a whiteboard here. They might be able to see PowerPoint there. And this settings here is your audio video, how to set up your camera and microphone, but it's already all set. If you want your video out here, you can share your video. And if you want to raise your hand, you can raise your hand here to attract the attention of your professor. Here is essentially, if you're going to use your, if let's say your microphone conks out and you're going to use your phone, you can click on this, and once you're done, you leave the session. If you click here, you leave the session, and you are done. So this is just a short 5-minute video on how to use Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. And if you need to go online, this is how you do it.